At the foot of the sacred mountain Arunachala lived Ramana Maharshi, a sage who spoke of freedom not through words but through silence. He asked a simple yet profound question: who am I? An inquiry that, when experienced directly, can reveal the secret of your true self and the very nature of reality. On November 19th, my journey begins deep into the heart of India. A walking pilgrimage, alone, with no plans, no reservations. Nearly 200 kilometers on foot, surrendering completely to whatever the path brings. And I want to bring you with me, unfiltered, as it happens, not only the steps along dusty roads, but the inner journey that unfolds within. Follow my pilgrimage. Follow the path within.